We're Team Projectons, and we're here today to discuss our digital system design project using Altera board DE215. Our project is Water the Dog. I'm Amira Nasser, and I'm going to give you a brief introduction about our project. Our project is basically a watering system for pets. So first, certain schedule is set by the owner for the timings he wants to put water for his pet to drink. So we put the Altera board on a table, and the sensor senses the distance from the board to the ground, and at these times, when the owner puts a plate in a distance less than the distance from the sensor to the ground, the water pumper pours water on the plate. Otherwise, if the owner forgets to put a plate at these times, we make a buzzer as a reminder for the owner that he forgot to put the plate. My other teammates are going to tell you in details how the whole system works and what are the components we used. Start.
So, the signal will operate depending on the enabled signal to which it is connected on the Altera. The VCC, which is the red wire, is connected in series with the ground from the Altera on the breadboard. The black wire is also connected to the breadboard in series with the 5 volt of the Altera.
Depending on that, the ultrasonic sensor will decide whether the pump will be enabled, whether the pump or the buzzer. If the pump is to work, then the H bridge will be enabled through the Altera. The 5 volt is connected to the breadboard in series. With the 5 volt in the Altera. And the ground is also connected to the breadboard in series with the ground of the Altera.
So here's the relay, which acts as an intermediate between the H bridge and the battery. Here, two wires, which is connected from the H bridge, motor B, and these two wires get connected here, and the negative part of the battery, which is 9 volt, because the motor it's 12 volt, and the power which we get, or the voltage which we get from the H bridge is about 5 volt, which is redirected from the Altera. So in order for the motor to get the 12 volt, we got a 9 volt battery to fill in the gap of the voltage. Here we're having the water pump connected at this leg, which is the 4th leg, and when the enable is pressed or it's selected, there is an internal switch in the relay which will move from this side to the upper side, so the water pump will operate.
What will happen when the ultrasonic does not sense the dish underneath it?
Okay. The buzzer will go on. The buzzer is having 2 legs. The positive leg is the one connected to a pin in the Altera. Okay, and the other leg is connected to the ground of the breadboard in series to the other grounds.
Here, the illustration is going to show you how it works.
As it seems here, the ultrasonic, it sends no obstacle. Therefore, as you can hear, the buzzer is on, and and as a result, the user have already turned the switch over here as on. So if the user wants to turn the buzzer off, he will either place an obstacle or just switch over here, and the buzzer is off.
So now when the pump
Sensor is sensing an obstacle. Therefore,
when the pump senses the dish underneath, it pumps water into the dish. And that's it.